Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brandon and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rainbow loom ring. The materials you're going to need are your loom, your hook, a C-clip, and here are the actual bands you're going to need. You're going to need one set of 6, which is 6 colors of the same color, so it doesn't look weird or crazy. So I'm using teal, and the camera kind of looks like a sky blue, but it isn't. Then you're going to need one set of 5, and again the same color. So I'm using white. So let me just layer them how I did the other one. Give me a second. So 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now you're going to need one set of 2 or 2 sets of 2, which I'm using this color and this sky blue. So this is the actual sky blue, that's teal. Now you can kind of see the difference. So that's basically what you're gonna need. So let's get started. So for now you can put your C-clip and your hook away. So I'm just putting this on top, or I'm gonna scoot this over just a bit. Give me a second. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to move our loom in, and, excuse me, if you hear a noise, it's my hedgehog, he's making a little bit of noise, but sorry. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your first color from your 5 set, and just push one down, and then just layer it like that. After that, it's going to get a little bit complicated, so just pay attention. So now you're going to take one from your set of 6, which I showed you, it's teal, and then just make a Y, as you can see right there. Now, you're going to take that same color, or you can switch it up. I am going to switch it up, and, actually, should I switch it up? Tempted to. Not too much. I don't know. Maybe yes. Okay. So I'll switch it up with this nice navy blue, and we're going to make a diamond, as you can see right there. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to take our next color. We're going to make it as a hexagon. So we're going to go back to that color, and remember to push down and put that. Now we're going to make an X with the remaining 2, like that, and it's going to form an X, as you can see. So now we're going to complete our hexagon with another 2, which you can use whatever 2 more colors you want. And now just take, there should be like 1 left of the teal or whatever. So now there's 3 left of these white. I'm using 2 because my finger isn't that big, and just layer them like that. So it's pretty simple. Now what you're going to do, you're going to flip it over, and you're going to put these 2 away if you have 2 left. And now what we're going to do is we're going to hook this one up to this one. Sorry. And it's going to look like that. You can just put it back if you want. I'm going to keep it there. But next, what we're going to do is we're going to take the one from the top, which it should go to your, oops, I'm not showing anything, should go over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it and go this way. And if this unhooks, it's because you didn't round it off, which is perfectly fine. If it does, you can just put it back in place. So now we're going to take this color that's in the back and put it where it came from. Just do the exact same thing. As you can see, I just did it slower and it didn't come out. It's because you didn't round it off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the first color, which is there, and we're going to put it in the middle. Next, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Put it back where it came from. Hold that there. Now go back over here and take this one and go up. As you can see, the same thing over here. It's So we're doing what you do to one side, you do to the other. So now we're going to go in this little hole right here and take where it came from. So what you do on one side, you know what you have to do? You have to do to the other. So you take the 2 there from that side and just go straight up like that. Now we're going to take the bottom one from here, which is the last one on the diamond or the hexagon. We're going to put that from there to here, back where it came from. And the same thing to the next side. So take just the last one and do it back where it came from. So it should look kind of like a star. Alright. Now from here, this peg, what we're going to do is we're going to take the white, can kind of figure this out, and put it up to this peg. Now take the next white and put it up to this peg. Now what I like to do is I put my C-clip on both of these whites. You don't have to, you can do this after. And I just take these 2 off. I grab it from the C-clip and just take them off. So kind of just do it this motion. It might take a little work, but you'll get it. And then after that, what you do should look like that. You put this 2 together, so you have 3 there, and open that. You can put it right on. It looks really cute, and I like it. I personally like doing the navy blue and this side navy blue, but I kind of switched it up a little. I don't know. Looks pretty cute. So yeah. That's basically it, guys. If you want more tutorials, just leave it in the comments below. I'm definitely going to start making some videos and try to earn more subscribers. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye!